Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare a traditional Bengali or Bong recipe called Lotey Shutki Jhol or Bombay Duck Dried Fish curry. This spicy hot side dish is served in the main course along with hot rice. If you like the recipe, then hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are Bombay Duck Dried Fish or Lotey Shutki 200 grams. Cut into big pieces, head, fins and tail are cut off. Finely chopped onion 2 medium. Grinded ginger and garlic 2 tablespoons each, grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Eggplant or brinjal half cut into long pieces. Flat beans 7 cut into 2 pieces. Diced white radish half cup cut into medium cubes. Crushed coriander seeds and crushed cumin seeds 1 tablespoon each, crushed in mixer and grinder using the chopping option twice. Refined oil 6 tablespoons. Mustard oil 3 tablespoons used for traditional aroma and flavor. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder 1½ tablespoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1½ tablespoon. If regular red chili powder is used, then 2 to 3 teaspoons. Bay leaf 1, red chili 1. To make Lotey Shutki Jhol, boil the dry fish first. For that, boil the Bombay Duck Dry Fish with about 3 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes in medium to high heat. Drain water, keep aside. For harder dry fish, boil for 7 to 8 minutes in medium to high heat. To shallow fry dry fish and vegetables, heat about 3 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the dry fish, about ½ cup of radish, about 7 flat beans, eggplant or brinjal, salt about ½ teaspoon and about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix them well, shallow fry in low to medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Add oil if required. I've added about 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Saute, take off the pan and keep aside. To prepare the masala, heat about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and to bring it to fumes. Add the bay leaf and red chili. Saute in low heat for 30 seconds. Add crushed coriander seeds about 1 tablespoon and crushed cumin 1 tablespoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add onion, ginger about 2 tablespoons and garlic about 2 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. Add Kashmiri red chili powder about 1½ tablespoon and turmeric powder about 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Add the dried fish and vegetables. Mix well with masala. Add about 3 cups of water and about ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cover the pan with the lid. Cook in medium to high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Taste it, add whatever is required. My dry fish is good. With a spoon or knife, cut the radish and eggplant to check if they are cooked. In my case, they cut easily. It means they are cooked. Serve hot. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.